Good afternoon, class. Welcome to today's lesson. Today's objective, we are going to learn about workshop rules and regulations. This is your first topic in this course unit. This course unit will entail mostly the use of workshop machines. So before we proceed to do anything, I would like you to understand more about the workshop rules and regulations. These are very essential for you to know in order to reduce injury in your workplaces. So I would like to let me share a certain PowerPoint. Okay, there is the PowerPoint presentation. It's about the workshop rules and regulations. So the first rule is do not run in the workshop, because by running you may trip and fall down and cause injury to yourself. When in the workshop, you should walk in an orderly manner. The second rule, always wear an overall or an apron. This is for your safety. This will cover your body, and it will have protection to your body. An overall is one type of PPE. A PPE means personal protective equipment. Another rule, wear strong shoes or safety shoes. The safety shoes will safeguard your legs in the event that an object falls on them. Another one, don't rush your projects. Do not hurry up when you are doing your task in the machine. Take your time. No need of hurrying up. Another rule, tie up long hair. If you have long hair, it should be tied up properly, because when you are working in a machine that has moving parts, your hair could be trapped, and the machine will pull you, hence causing a serious injury, or in extreme cases, it may lead to death. Another rule, roll up your sleeves. If you are wearing your overall, you should at least try to roll up your sleeves in order to give your hand space to work, or to reduce the possibility of the sleeves getting caught in a machine. Another one, never work alone in the workshop. You should at least be two people, such that in the event of an emergency, the other person can assist the one that has been injured. Another rule, let me go to the next slide. When necessary, you should wear goggles. Wear safety goggles. For example, when you are maybe drilling a workpiece, or you are carrying out an operation on a lathe machine, there are small chippings that are as a result of the cutting process. Those chippings are very dangerous. If they enter your eyes, they will cause serious injury. So safety goggles are very, very important. Another one, turn the machine off before cleaning it. Ensure that the machine is off, because it is very risky to clean. It is very risky to clean a machine that has moving parts while it is on. The moving part is likely to cause a serious injury to you. Another one, always listen to the teacher. As you will be working in this workshop, ensure that you follow the instructions of the teacher. Listen carefully. And if you have any question, you can ask. Another rule and regulation is know where the emergency button is located. The function of the emergency button is to cut off the power supply. When the emergency button is pressed, it switches off all the machines in the workshop. So in the event of an emergency, one is required to press the emergency button and cut off the power supply, and hence switch off all the machines. Another one, listen carefully when a teacher is demonstrating something. Always pay your full attention to the teacher when he or she is demonstrating about the use of a certain machine. Another rule, a machine must be operated by one student at a time. So this is to avoid confusion, because by operating more than one student, they may contradict each other. Another one, enter the workshop with the teacher's permission. Ensure you have the authority to enter the workshop. Don't enter the workshop at any time. Another one, report any damage done to the machines. In the event that the machine has broken down or been damaged in one way or another, you should report to the teacher or to the technician so that the machine can be repaired as soon as possible. Okay, that is all about the workshop rules and regulations. The current slide is showing the various photos. The photo on the left is an apron, and the second photo is the safety shoe. That one is the one on the left is the safety goggles to protect your eyes. The yellow one is the gloves. And lastly, that is the helmet, safety helmet to safeguard your head. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for your attention. See you all in the next class. Okay, thank you for listening.